Hi there, it's Amanda with WTI, and today I'm going to show you the spray that I love to use before I blow dry my hair. So this is the Cantu Thermal Shield Heat Protectant with shea butter. I love using it after I wash my hair and before I blow dry it. It smells great and does a great job with protecting my hair from the heat of the blow dryer. And to apply, I like to divide my hair into two sections, and then into smaller sections, and finally to the ends, so that the product is all over my head. Then I like to massage my hair a little bit and it's ready to dry. The result is shiny, soft, and most importantly, it doesn't burn. So if you want a good heat protection spray, I recommend this one. It protects my hair, it smells delicious, and I love it so much. So this is the Cantu Thermal Shield Heat Protectant with shea butter. I love this spray so much. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.